go? We're camping. Are we camping?
This is camping, Pumpkin.
Yeah, it is camping.
You like your dinner? Chicken and dumplings?
Hold it. Really
Thank you.
good?
Chicken and dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings.
We got a nice little fire. And we've got the vans just right up there. That's where we'll sleep. And our kitchen setup is up there. And we're on a little peninsula. We got like a private beach here out on the lake. And kind of down in a little nook where our fire pit is, but up there above the van, big views of Broken Top. Right over there is big views of South Sister, and over this way, big views of Bachelor. Pretty ideal. Olive, the first bite she took of the chicken and dumplings I made her, she said, this is delicious. And it melted my little heart.
What the heart?
Yeah, melted my heart.
That's pretty.
Yeah. We're eating on a little log here by the fire. And having a grand old time. Went for a little ride in our canoe. And
then I go by the water, with the boat, and my dad, and he helped me.
And then you talk to the birds.
And then I say, hello, bird. Don't put my feet up.
Okay, say signing out.
Signing out.